We're going for brookies today. So we're going to head to a couple of different lakes and try them out. It's the fall season and we're really portable and we're going deep into the bush. So wish us luck. All loaded up with the canoe. Dave's already there. He's checking out the river. Checking out our first lake. Shop your coffee. Well done. Smoke on the water.
Done, Richard, so far.
Oh!
Okay, got one.
Oh, okay, I don't want to lose this one.
That's a nice little brookie, Richard.
Oh, not in the boat!
Isn't that like a typical stack day?
Where is he? Oh, you. Look at that guy. Beautiful stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, Dave, this is a nice one. This is a nice one, Dave.
Oh, look at that one. That's a beauty. Got the net?
I'm gonna bring it back to you.
Got the net?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's a beauty. Look towards you.
Get him! Yeah! Awesome!
There's a speckle for you.
Big Jim, what do you think of that?
Look at that baby.
Wow. Look at that beauty. Amazing, eh?
Okay, so we just caught a couple of brookies and this amazing fish. So we're pretty happy with our side-by-side fishing trip and catch you later.